5 things you didn't know about the Notes app on iPhone. Number 1. You can move the cursor simply by dragging it where you want it to go, or by holding down the spacebar on the keyboard. Number 2. When using the keyboard to control your cursor, you can tap with the second finger to select text. Number 3. When a word is highlighted, you can pinch with 3 fingers to copy the word or do the opposite to paste it. Number 4. When drawing a shape in the Notes app, if you hold your finger for a second or two at the very end before lifting it off the screen, your drawing will be transferred into an actual shape. Number 5. There is an option in the Notes app to take a high quality scan of a picture or a document. All you need to do is position the document in front of the camera and it will automatically take a scan. Once the scan has been taken, you can then rotate the document. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications as we've got lots more coming soon.